So ganito guys yung email na marireceive natin pag approve na po yung tax information natin. Okay. Yan po siya. Hello mga kabayan! Kumusta na kayo dyan? Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan kung saan po kayo naroon. Ayan. Quick tutorial lang tayo mga kabayan tungkol sa tax. Ayan. Ito po yung na-receive po nating email galing kay YouTube. Ayan. Ito po siya guys. Samahan niyo po ako. I-add po natin sa ating Google AdSense yung ating tax information. Okay. Let's go, let's go! Nandito tayo guys sa ating Google AdSense. Ayan, kailangan po natin mag-sign in. Ayan, dito po yung notification. Ayan po yung na-receive natin. Okay, so meron tayo sa email at meron din tayo sa notification sa Google AdSense. Ayan. Important. Check if additional tax information is required from you. All YouTube creators and partners are required to submit tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. Ayan. Manage tax info, learn more, ayan. Pwede natin i-click yan, pwede rin learn more para makita natin yung explanation. Okay. Pero hindi na tayo pupunta dun guys, okay. Papakita ko na sa inyo mismo paano tayo mag-add ng tax info natin, okay. Click po natin ang payments guys. Ayan. Ayan siya guys, kung nakikita natin guys, meron po naka-highlighted dito na pula, okay. Action required. All YouTube creators and partners submit your tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. Ayan. Ayan guys. Okay. Click lang po natin ang manage tax info. First time ko rin ito guys na gawin. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Pero nakakuha natin ng information. Sabi nila kailangan natin ng TIN. Pag Philippine yung country natin. Okay. Yung address natin. Okay, TIN po ang kailangan natin, okay? Yan na siya guys. Pag-click natin, meron po dito nakalagay manage tax info. Okay. To get payouts from Google, make sure to provide your tax information. This will take a few minutes. Okay. Ayan. Add tax info. Click po natin guys. Kasi maraming nagtatanong guys. Kaya gawa tayo ng tutorial. Sana kahit pa paano makatulong. I-icon lang natin guys ang password natin dito. Ayan guys, kailangan natin i-verify. To continue, first verify it's you. Ayan. Para sa security guys, kailangan natin sign in ulit yung password. Ayan. So, andito na tayo guys, okay. United States tax info, okay. What type of account is, okay. Yung pangalan natin. Individual guys. Click po natin. Next. Are you citizen or residential of the United States? No. Ayan guys. Tapos babalang natin, okay. Next. Ayan. Select, okay, W8 tax form type, okay. Click lang po natin guys itong W8 bin. This form is most commonly used by non-US individuals. Okay, click po natin yan. Start. Yan guys. Tax identity. Be sure this information is exactly the same as on your tax documents and that form is signed by an authorized representative of this legal entity. Ayan yung pangalan natin guys. Name of individual. Okay. Itong DBE guys, doing business as name of this regard entity. Skip lang po natin yan guys. Optional lang po yan. Country of citizenship. Okay. Philippines. Hanapin po natin ang Pilipinas. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, kailangan po guys, meron po tayong tin, okay? Nakukuha po natin yun sa BIR. 12 numbers po siya guys, okay? Taxpayer identification number, okay? Kailangan po natin ilagay dito sa ating foreign tin, okay? Ito guys ang nakasulat. A taxpayer identification number is a tax processing number required by the IRS form some tax forms. Ayan. Yan guys, more about tin kung gusto nyo magbasa dyan guys. Ayan. Pero sa atin, meron na po tayo naka-ready na kon. Tin kasi meron na tayo dati pa. Ayan. Okay guys. Itong new is ITIN or SSN kon na po yan guys. Okay. Optional lang po yan. Wala na po tayo nila. Okay. Next po guys. Click ko po. Ayan. Kailangan natin i-provide guys yung address natin. Okay. Type ko lang po guys yung address namin sa probinsya guys. Okay. Okay guys. City. Ayan. Ayan, nakalagay na siya sa order na ito. Yung postal code. Ayan. Yun po yung kailangan nating pilapan guys. Address line 1. Tapos yung city at saka postal code. Ayan. Importante po yun guys. Tapos click po natin ang province. Okay. Napin po natin ang Pangasinan. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Click lang po natin yung kan guys, ito. Mailing address is same as permanent resident address. Ayan. Okay. Tapos, click lang natin ang next guys. Ayan. Are you claiming reduced rate of withholding under tax treaty? Ayan, yes lang tayo dyan guys. Okay. Tapos, tick po natin yung box. Okay, hanapin ulit natin ng Philippines. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Percent din natin to guys. Ayan. Kasi dami nagtatanong. Ayan. Samahan nyo po ako. Ayan. Okay. Special rates and conditions. Okay. You may be exempt or have taxes withheld at a reduced rate on certain income types earned within the US. Ayan guys. Services, AdSense. Okay. Click lang po natin yan guys. Tapos article and paragraph. Okay. Click lang po. Ayan. Withholding rate. Ayan. 0% reduce rate. Ayan. Tapos click lang po natin dito sa ating reason. Ayan. As a tax resident of the country identified in the tax identity section. Ayan. Tapos motion. Click ulit natin guys yan. Tapos click yung drops down. Article 13 and paragraph 2A. Ayan. Withholding rate. Ayan. 10% lang guys ang piliin natin. Okay. Tapos click ulit natin yung box. Okay. Other copyright, YouTube, Google Play, click din natin yan guys. Ayan, article and paragraph, same as one, okay. Click ulit natin ang article 13, withholding rate, 15%, okay. Ayan sa guys. Reason, okay, as a tax resident, click natin ulit yung box, okay. Tapos next natin guys. Okay, document preview. This is how your document will be generated. Review the four PDFs and confirm your information. Ayan guys. Yung kailangan po natin i-click ang isa-isa dyan. Pero kung okay na tayo dyan, ayan, i-click lang natin dito guys. I confirm that have reviewed the generated tax documents to be the best of my knowledge and believe they are true. Correct and complete. Okay guys. Next po tayo dyan guys. Okay. Ayan. Reviewed and confirmed. Ayan guys. Naka-check na tayo dun sa account. Nandito na tayo sa step 5. Certification. Okay. Ayan. Your signature. Full legal name guys. Type natin po yung pangalan natin. Yung totoong pangalan natin. Okay. Ayan. Are you the person listed in the signature section? Signature section. Okay. Yes, I am in the person listed in the signature section. and I'm completing this form on my own behalf. Yan guys. Ayan. Tapos next tayo guys. Okay. Activities and services performed in US and affidavit. Okay. Ayan. Has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed in activities and services performed. Okay, no tayo guys. Okay. Ayan. Kasi nakalagay po dito guys, I certify that the services provided to Google or its affiliates will be performed solely outside the US, and that any labor or capital, including facilities or other tools used to provide such services, will be physically located outside the US. Okay? Ayan guys. Ito na po yung one guys. Dalawa po yung pagpipilian natin dito sa status change affidavit. Okay? Ayan. Are you providing tax info for new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments, or an existing payments profile that has previously received payments? Okay. Yung pagpipilian dito guys, I am providing tax info for a new existing payments profile that hasn't received payments. Yung mga hindi pa nakatanggap ng mga paunang bayad, okay. Yung mga first time guys, okay. Yan po yung i-click nyo guys, okay. Dahil tayo nakatanggap na po tayo, ito po yung option natin. Ito po yung para sa atin. Yung mga nakatanggap. I am providing tax info for an existing payments profile that has previously received payments. Okay? Submit natin guys. Yan. Kalimutan pala natin kon guys. Na-click. Okay. I am providing tax info for existing payments profile previous. Yan po guys ang clinic natin. Okay. Tapos click po natin yung box. Okay. Yan po guys, under penalties of perjury, I declare that the information and certification contained herein remain the same and unchanged, except as provided below from January 1, 2020 through the present, and were true, correct, and complete for that time. To the extent that there were any changes, please detail them here and include dates of relevant changes. Okay? Okay guys, kung may changes po tayo dyan, optional po tayo dyan guys, pwede kayong mag-type dyan. Okay, mga notes nyo dyan. Okay. Ayan, submit na natin guys. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Medyo it takes time to guys. Okay, kailangan bigyan natin ng panahon guys. Okay. Yun guys, meron na siyang nakasulat dito guys. Status approved. Uy, parang may natanggap tayong email guys. Okay. How difficult is or easy it was complete your tax form today? Wow, okay. Feedback na tayo dyan guys. Okay, very easy na lang yun. Okay. Yan siya guys. Approve na po natin. Approve na po tayo. Status approved. Okay. Submitted March 12, 2021. Okay. Submitted ba yung pangalan natin guys? Tapos nakalagay dito ang permanent address natin. Mailing address. Pares lang po yun. Okay. Tax forms and withholding rates. Ayan guys. Yung form W8Ben. Motion and picture TV. Okay. Ayan. Motion picture and rate 15% claim. Ayan. Yan guys. Form W8Ben other copyright claim na rin tayo guys. 15% din. Ayan guys, ang pinakamagandang balita yun, services, okay, rate 0% claim. Yan guys, ayan form. So yan guys, sana nakatulong. Ayan. Tingnan po natin yung email na na-receive natin guys. Ayan. Pakita ko po sa inyo kung meron na. End ko lang muna to para makita natin. So ito na guys. Ito po yung marireceive nating email. Pag-approve na po tayo sa ating tax information. Ayan po guys. Your tax information has been approved. Ayan. Thanks for watching guys. Sana nakatulong. Ayan. Fill up na tayo guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless.